I'm Sabrina Doherty from Inglés con Kilian. I work with my husband here in Alicante, delivering English training programs to companies and professional individuals to help them improve their English, especially in speaking. If you want more information in relation to this, have a look below at the links. Today I want to talk about prepositional phrases with out of. So we use out of in phrases, for example, out of school. And we normally use them in two categories, okay? The first one is when we're talking about outside of or without, or that we don't have or we don't have anymore. So for example, out of school means that you're not in school. Out of reach means that you cannot reach it. Out of print means books that are no longer being printed. Out of practice means that you have not been practicing something, so you're not very good at it at the moment. You're out of practice. Out of place means that it's in the wrong place. This can be something physical, like the TV's in the wrong place. I think we should move it. Or your behavior. What you said was out of place. You shouldn't have said that. Okay? Out of order can be similar to out of place in something in your behavior. So you shouldn't have said that. It was out of order. Out of order can also mean out of service. The machine is out of order, or the laptop is out of order, for example. Out of my mind, we use this expression to say that we're very, very worried or we're feeling crazy. For example, I am going out of my mind with worry, or I am out of my mind with worry. I'm very, very worried, okay? Or are you out of your mind? Are you crazy? When you suggest something, maybe that sounds a little crazy. Okay, so we use these expressions. Out of ideas means you don't have any more ideas. If something is out of hand or out of control, they mean the same thing. It means that you do not have control of something. For example, I had a party, but a lot of people came and it got out of hand or it got out of control. They broke windows, they made a mess, for example. So if the situation is not under control, it is out of control. So they're opposites, under control or out of control, out of hand. The next one is out of date. We use this for something that has expired, that you can no longer use or eat. For example, the meat is out of date. Don't eat it or you will get sick. Okay? It does not mean outside of a deadline. So, for example, if today is a deadline for your project and you deliver the project next week, it is not out of date. It's outside the deadline or after the deadline, or you didn't meet the deadline. But out of date is expired. Okay? Danger, out of danger means that you are not in danger or you're not in danger anymore. Often said about people who are in hospital. He is out of danger. He is not critical anymore. He should be fine. Okay? Out of context means outside of the context that it was meant. You took my comments out of context. That's not what I meant. Okay? And finally, out of breath. If you're out of breath, it could be that you're out of practice with your exercise. Out of breath means because you're making an effort and you're losing your air, your breath, okay? So moving on to because of, for the meaning of out of, okay? So these are often with emotions or feelings, as you will see. I did it out of respect for her. I did it because I respected her. Out of pity, because I pitied her. I felt sorry for her. I did it out of love, because I loved her. I did it out of jealousy, because I felt jealous. Okay? So for example, I threw out all his clothes because I was jealous, or out of jealousy, for example. Out of hate, because you feel hate. Out of duty, because you feel it's your duty to do something. I look after him out of duty. And out of curiosity, because you are curious, you want to know. So we use this often at the beginning of a sentence to ask for information. Out of curiosity, where did you get your fear of pigeons, for example? So those are prepositional phrases with out of. We can also talk about expressions out of, run out of, or to have none left. Okay, let me move myself out of the way here. To run out of or to be out of means you don't have anymore. Okay, for example, we are out of time means we do not have any time left. We have run out of time. Okay, so that's a mistake. Casi no nos queda? No, it's no nos queda. So we do not have any time. If you're running out of time means that you have a little time left. You could say we're almost out of time, or we have very little time left. Or you can also say we have hardly, apenas, we have hardly any time left. Okay, we have almost run out of coffee. We are almost out of coffee, or we have very little coffee left, or we have hardly any coffee left. All ways to say the same thing. Okay, so the idea is that you understand it when you hear it and you choose one of them to incorporate into your speaking or writing. Okay, otherwise it's very confusing. Another example, we have almost run out of dishwasher tablets. We maybe only have 1 or 2 dishwasher tablets to use. We are almost out of dishwasher tablets and we have very few dishwasher tablets left, or we have hardly any dishwasher tablets left. So, more examples. I'm out of milk. I have no milk left. I have run out of milk. Okay. Those are more examples. We've almost run out of time, for example. So if you want to practice those prepositional expressions, you can just click on this link and it brings you to a handy little quiz that you can use. Okay, this website Wordwall is really useful for making quizzes. You can do it in different ways. I've been using this one and I'll just show you what to do. So you have to take all of these colorful tiles and put them into the section that you think they fit. If out of is because it means without, outside, not, or not anymore, you put it here. If out of is because of jealousy, for example, you put it here. So go try the quiz and good luck. If you enjoyed that, please hit the subscribe button and you will receive notifications of future videos from us. And also, if you would like your own free ebook, very practical step-by-step instructions on how to improve your English by yourself, click the link below and it will bring you straight there. Good luck with your English. See you soon.